Okay, let's take stock of the global handover from last night. It was quite a decent trading session in the US, which saw the Dow up for the third straight session in a row. We also saw the Nasdaq gaining for the fifth straight session in a row, making a fresh high, and now the Nasdaq is up around 21% for the year 2020. So stocks rose across the board on Tuesday, building on the previous session, like we said earlier. Lawmakers are currently struggling on making progress with respect to a new coronavirus stimulus package. With that being said, it seems like another $1,200 check is definitely on the anvil for American citizens. So that's what's happening in the US. Let's take it forward to Asia. Stocks in Asia Pacific traded mixed on Wednesday morning. Uncertainty remains over the US stimulus package, and that's causing their markets to have a bit of volatility. The Japanese markets were up 1% each. That's the topics at Nikkei I'm talking about on Monday and Tuesday. Today we've seen a sharp reversal with the Nikkei shedding 0.5% and the topics also shedding 0.5%. Kospi advanced 0.5%, which was a bit muted earlier, so that's a good sign. And the Australian S&P and ASX 200 dipped, and overall the MSCI ex-Japan was trading about 0.1% higher. So Japan's the major drag in Asia this morning. Now let's go over to Europe. Europe markets closed slightly lower yesterday. Investors reacted to a slew of weakish corporate earnings, and positive manufacturing data around the world had already driven stocks earlier on in the week. So Monday and Tuesday we saw significant rallies in the stock 600. That seems Monday rather, and Friday. On Tuesday that seems to have cooled off. The stock 600 closed down by around 600 points or 0.2%. Healthcare stocks tumbled 1.3% to lead the losses here. And oil and gas stocks climbed 2.4%, with BP up a solid 6%. Coming down to oil and gold, oil prices rose on Tuesday to track near 5-month highs. Hopes that the new stimulus package and also curbing of the coronavirus is going to increase demand. The inventory outlook also significantly improved. It seems that the decline in inventory will be sharper than expected. Brent futures rose 57 cents or 1.3% to $44.72 a barrel, and WTI rose 69 cents or 1.68% to settle at $41.7 per barrel. Finally, gold soared past the 2,000 mark, really obliterated that target. The lower interest rate environment as well as hopes for more stimulus have increased the safe haven metals demand. So spot gold jumped 1.6% to $2,010 per ounce, just under, and was 1.4% up at 2004. US gold futures, meanwhile, also surged to a record peak of 2027 and settled 1.7% higher at $2,021 per ounce.